Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video, we will see how to install Linux on your machine. So before we proceed with using various commands and various features of Linux, we will first install the Linux operating system on our machine. So what are the softwares that we need to install Linux? Now installing Linux has two ways. One is you install Linux on your hardware directly. Another way is you install Linux as a virtual machine on your existing operating system. So as a new user, we will not install the Linux directly on your hardware. So we will make use of the virtual machine. So let's see what are the softwares that we require to install Linux. So we are going to use two softwares. So one is the Oracle Virtualbox. Now, Oracle Virtualbox is a software that helps you enable virtualization on your machine. So virtualization is a technology that helps you to run more than one operating system on your machine. That is, you need not disturb your existing operating system. You simply have to install Oracle Virtualbox on your existing operating system, and you can create a VirtualBox of any operating system. That is, you can use any operating system on your machine. So the first software that we need is Oracle VirtualBox. You can get this software from www.virtualbox.org. The second is of course the Linux operating system. So we will be using the Ubuntu flavor of Linux and 20.04 version. Linux, as I said, it is freely available and it is open source. You can go to www.ubuntu.com and from there you can download the latest version of the Ubuntu operating system. So we will first see how to install Oracle VirtualBox, and then we will see how to create a virtual machine of Linux on your existing operating system. So whether you are using Windows or any other operating system, you can install Oracle VirtualBox and create a VirtualBox of Linux.
Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.